In this video, we're going to discuss the meaning of linear systems through a brief introduction. So what is a linear system? A linear system is a group of equations where the same variables appear in all the equations. Both equations in a linear system, when graphed, they form straight lines. The solution to a linear system is an ordered pair that makes both equations true. Every solution to a linear system must be written as x, y. So all solutions should be an ordered pair. How to tell if something is a solution? First, we substitute the ordered pair into the first equation and evaluate. Ordered pairs are always in the form x, y. We need to use parentheses when we substitute, and if both sides match, it's a possible solution. Step 2 is to substitute the ordered pair into the second equation and evaluate. Same 3 tips apply. And then we answer yes or no. It's either a solution or it's not. Remember, an ordered pair must work in both equations to be considered a yes. Alright, so example 1, we're trying to decide if negative 5, 9 is a solution to this system of equations. Notice we have 2 equations here. So we're going to plug in negative 5 for x and 9 for y. So 5 times negative 5 minus 4 times 9 equals negative 61. So we want to see if this is indeed true. 5 times negative 5 is negative 25. Minus 4 times 9 is 36. Okay, negative 25 minus 36 gives us negative 61. So we end up with the same number on both sides of the equals, negative 61. So we know that ordered pair works in the first equation. We still have to check it in the second equation before we can draw our conclusion. So we're going to do 3 times negative 5 minus 5 times 9. And we want to see if that also equals negative 61. So 3 times negative 5 is negative 15 minus 5 times 9 is 45. 61. Let's see, it's going to be negative 15. Let me just double check here, making sure I'm doing this right. That's negative 15 minus 45. So if I put that, let's see, minus 45, that's going to be negative 60. Oh, sorry, I copied that wrong. There we go. That's a 60. That's a 60. So I end up with negative 60 equals negative 60. I have negative 60 on both sides of the equal sign. That one is a solution, so notice it matches both. Be sure to copy carefully. It's one of the biggest mistakes in algebra, and I'm guilty of it too. So yes, this one is a solution. All right, example number 2. Same deal. I'm going to plug in 4 for x and 5 for y. So 4 plus 2 times 5 equals 14. 4 plus 2 times 5 is 10 is equal to 14. So I get 14 equals 14. Works in the first equation. So it's a possible solution. Have to check in the second. So y is 5. So I have 5 is equal to 3 times 4 minus 7. 5 is equal to 3 times 4 is 12 minus 7. And 12 minus 7 gives me 5. So I have 5 is equal to 5. So this one is also a solution. If for some reason you plug in and it only works in one equation, then the answer would be no, not a solution.